guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. Today I'm going to do an easy and tasty oven baked barbecue ribs. I've already washed and cleaned my ribs, and these are my ingredients: brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, salt to taste, black pepper. I have some of my homemade jerk seasoning and barbecue sauce. Stay tuned, guys. I'm removing, this is the ribs. I'm going to wash it in some lime water, and I'm going to remove the membrane. This is so the seasoning can soak up in it. Okay. Guys, I'm going to put all my dry ingredients in a bowl. I'm just going to combine everything together. Okay, this is looking good. Stay tuned. I'm going to season your ribs generously. I've removed the membrane so the seasoning can soak up all the way through. And you're going to season on both sides. Just rub it in together. I'm using all this seasoning so I could double dip in it. Turn it over. Give it a nice rub. Get the end of it. Like so. But look at this, guys. This is looking so good. This is why you remove the membrane, so all the seasoning can soak up in the groove here. Guys, it smells so yummy already. Now, it's best to let your meat marinate overnight, but if you can't, just let it sit for at least 30 minutes so the season can penetrate. Okay, guys, wrap this very tightly and let it bake for at least 3 hours, okay? So stay tuned. Tight pockets here. and tight. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna combine my jerk sauce seasoning, and then I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. I'm just going to mix the two together. Just combine the two together. Look at that yumminess. It's been 3 hours, so let's check it out. Okay. Careful, guys, it's hot. Oh wow, look at that. Whoa, guys, you see that? Looking good. Guys, the fork just go right through it. Look at that. See that? Guys, you want to drain off all the water before you start basting it with your barbecue sauce, okay? Now just baste your ribs. Barbecue sauce, and I'm going to put it in the oven on broil for like 5 minutes. Okay, you just got to watch it because you don't want it to burn. Then I'm going to put some more sauce and then do the other side. This is the first side. Now I'm going to do the other side. You can add as much sauce as you want. Okay. Alright, so this is the final touch. Based on both sides, and this is the second time on this side. Guys, this rib is so tender, it's falling apart. Guys, look at this beauty. This super delicious, tender, juicy, spicy, just right, falling off the bone ribs. All I have to do now, which is optional, is garnish it with some, whatever you choose. I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. Guys, I will put everything in the description box, and if you try this recipe, please let me know. Until next time, I appreciate you guys watching. Be kind to others. One love. Whoa, guys, look at that.